Alrighty, what's going on, peeps? Got another little trade recap video today. Not much, gonna be a really quick video actually. Ended up taking one trade today, got break evened. Yeah, I'm gonna run through some thoughts and kind of why I took this. So, coming in this morning around market open, as you can see, we've kind of just been in this little range right here, just stacking liquidity up on both sides of the market, as well as like bouncing between like 4 hour gaps. So we had this 4 hour gap we were expecting kind of near market open, and then we had this one we had below us that was untapped. So overall, just kind of rangy day, not super high probability. It was looking for some kind of manipulation. Honestly, in either way, we could have seen um, uh, either way is what I was pretty much looking for. Like if we came down, I was leaning a little more bullish towards open. I wanted to maybe see these highs get taken and then us fall back down, come down to this unfilled 4 hour gap. Um, but I needed to see some kind of low get taken. We did not come down and take this low in before we ran higher, so it didn't end up taking that. But we just pretty much ripped up all day, taking out all these draws on liquidity. Really not finding many entries whatsoever. I was looking for a potential short back down to unfilled 15 minute. Was actually this one down here. But we didn't end up getting that um, at all. So I don't know why this thing's in replay. It's not even working. Yeah, I was looking for a short around here. Didn't get a good setup to that. We just kept wanting to go higher. And then after all this, like we continued to wanting to go higher, and there was still hard time frame draw above, which is just like last buy side uh, level that we had up here. I was like, all right, maybe we want to continue higher. We didn't have any SMTs with the S. And it was just looking for us to get a retrace back down to this 15-minute gap that we had not filled yet, which is this one right here. So we did, got a retrace back down and hit, got a nice V-shape recovery, inverse survive gap to the upside. Entered in right on that. I was in this trade very, very light size. I had it with 2 micros. I was just gonna go break even pretty quick and then let it run. If it runs, if it doesn't, it doesn't. Um, just because it's the end of the week, don't want to blow any more money than we have to, and it's not the highest quality setup I've ever seen. So, saying that, that is what happened. I went break even around these little internal highs right here, as well as ES took this high, and NQ did not. Um, which yeah, we have an SMT there right now, which makes sense. So that's why I went break even. And then we got break even on that. So break even day. Still up on the week though from that trade on Monday. Other than that, I have not taken any other trades this week. Let me go ahead and put executions on so we can show. Boom. But yeah, like I said, just a tiny, tiny little entry there. Entry model was valid, but everything else, price action was getting pretty freaking sloppy, not gonna lie. But thought it might play out. But also was okay with losing. Like if this would have stopped me out, I would have lost about $150 or something like that. So very, very tight loss, keeping the risk low. Don't know what I'm gonna do for next week. Don't know if I'm gonna be trading or not. Um, but that's all for me right now. If anybody took a trade today, hopefully you caught a dub. If not, yeah, I'll catch y'all next week.